Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yulia Safira MJ. I am from Marketing Management, and here I am presenting my research who entitled "The Effect of Discount on Link Aja Users Loyalty Survey on Student of Universitas Negeri Jakarta." First of all, let us thank to Allah, the Almighty, for giving us the change. Second, salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad SAW, to the Honorable Judge. And I would say thank you to my lecturer, especially Mr. Sandi, Mrs. Soliha, Mrs. Umi Mardiati, and all of lecture of economics. In completing this paper, I got a lot of support from my family and my friend, and I grateful to have them, and I would say thank you to them too. I realize this paper far from perfect, but I hope this paper could be beneficial for the readers. And I would say thank you to your attention and time for listen this presentation. Furthermore, here my presentation. Background of this paper is digital wallet is one of business that has a great business opportunities and tight competition. Digital wallet provide massive promos to attract users. Through Link Aja application, Link Aja increase user loyalty by providing discount to attract customers. Next, formulation of the problem. 1. How customer loyalty towards Link Aja application. 2. How's the discount given to Link Aja users? 3. Does the discount affect the loyalty customer of Link Aja users? Next, purpose of the research. 1. Able to describe loyalty of Link Aja users. 2. Able to describe provided discount to Link Aja users. 3. Finding the effect of discount on loyalty Link Aja users. Next, literature review. Customer loyalty is a function of customer satisfaction, diversion barriers, and customer complaints. Consumer are customer commitments to a brand, store, or supplier or company based on a very positive attitude and reflected in consistent repeat purchases by Prasojo. And discount is a reduction in a product price from the normal price within a certain period by Sutisna in Fitri. Next, framework of mind. So, discount have 4 dimensions, which are the amount of discount, discount period, types of products that get discounted, and frequency of the price discounts. And loyalty customers have a 4 dimension too, which are make regular repeat purchases, purchases across product and service lines, reverse orders, and demonstrates immunity to the pull of the competitor. So, the hypothesis is HO, there's no influence between discount to loyalty customer. And H1, there is influence between discount to loyalty customer. In research method, I use data collection technique, instrument test technique, and data analysis technique. In data collection technique, I use primary data with questionnaire. The questionnaire in this study is by making a statement, questionnaire using the Likert scale value. Second, instrument test technique. I use 2 techniques for this research, which are 1 validity test and reliability test. In data analysis technique, I use 5 techniques, which are descriptive data, classic assumption test, simple linear regression test, hypothesis test, and coefficient of determinant. And I use 6 options for the answer of the questionnaire, which are SS sangat setuju, S setuju, AS agak setuju, ATS agak tidak setuju, TS tidak setuju, dan STS sangat tidak setuju. Respondent determination method. The population of this study were students of Universitas Negeri Jakarta who used Link Aja application. The sampling technique used was sampling. Researchers will distribute questionnaire in the form of Google Form to students of Universitas Negeri Jakarta who use Link Aja application. And I have 73 respondents of this research. In this research, I share questionnaire to 73 respondents, students of Universitas Negeri Jakarta who use Link Aja application. It was dominated by 43 female respondents with a 59%, and then male with a 30 by 41%. In tests of validity and reliability, amount of discount variable is 0.885 and the user loyalty variable is 0.915, stated reliable because of crown bench alpha over 0.6. Furthermore, descriptive analysis. Discount variables are measured in 4 dimensions and 6 statements and answer option using the Likert scale. Overall, a descriptive analysis of discount variable can be concluded that the respondents agree with 81%. The variable user loyalty is measured using 4 dimensions and 6 statements and answer option by Likert scale. Overall, it could be concluded that respondents agree with 79.9%. Result of normality test that researchers have used the SPSF 25 application, it could also be said that the data is normally distributed because of a significant value of 0.098. And a result of linearity test, it is known that significant value is deviation by 0.083. In the result of simple linear regression and hypothesis test, it could be concluded the discount effect on user loyalty and the effect is positive. Next, value of coefficient determination is 0.432. It has 43.2% chance of user loyalty determined by discount, and 56.8% are affected by other variables. Next, conclusion. Customer or user loyalty of Link Aja application can be said have high loyalty because based on the result, the descriptive statistical analysis is 79.9% agree. The discount given by the Link Aja application to the customer is good because the result of descriptive statistical analysis is 81% agree. Suggestion for the company. As a means of supporting cashless payment, which have several competition, the Link Aja application must increase user loyalty so that users continue to choose the Link Aja application as a means of payment. To support this, the Link Aja application must be provide even greater discount to its customer, which will become Link Aja balance because based on the result of the questionnaire previously distributed, it shows that 30.1% do not agree that Link Aja provide a bigger discount than a competitor. Suggestion for Link Aja users: to support the Link Aja application to continue to innovate, it takes some criticism and suggestion. Application related to discount or the things to increase user loyalty, because 30.1% did not agree if Link Aja gave a bigger discount than the competitors. This is where the Links Aja application user can provide criticism and suggestion on what discounts are needed by its users. Suggestion for further research. For further research, they can look for the independent variable if the objects used in the study are the same, because based on the results of the coefficient of determination, there are still 56.8% of the other variables that affect user loyalty. That's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention.